Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see watch history on TikTok. So go for your TikTok app, click on profile, go for here in this streamlined section and then you can see here four options here. You have to go settings and privacy. Scroll down a little bit, go for activity center and you can see here watch history. You can see all of your watch history here. So this is how you can see watch history on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.